Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Binance application on your iPhone for beginners. Binance is a popular cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies. To go ahead and get started with Binance on your iPhone, first of all, you'll need to download the application. Step 1. Download Binance app on your iPhone. To download the application, go ahead and open your App Store. Once you launch it open, go to the search box at the top and type in Binance and search. Look for this application where it says Binance Buy Bitcoin and Crypto and tap on the Get button or the Download button to start downloading the app on your device. Now wait for the app to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. After the download and installation is completed, tap on the Open button to launch Open Binance on your iPhone. Step 2. Sign up for Binance. Upon opening up your application, you will need to allow necessary permissions such as notification. On the next page, select the type of user you are from the options. If you are an experienced user, make sure to tap on Experienced User option, whereas if you are a novice, click on Crypto Novice. Once you do that, on the next page, it'll prompt you to enter your email or phone number. You can also continue signing up using Google account or Apple ID. Select any one option you'd like to go on with. In my case, I'm going to choose the email option. Type in your email address that is available to you in the text box and tap on the Next button. On the next page, enter your verification code sent to your email inbox. Open up your email inbox and then look for the email verification code. Once you receive your confirmation code, type down the code in the text box that you received and tap on Submit. On the next page, it'll prompt you to set up a password for your Binance account. Make sure you type in the password that meets the criteria displayed on the screen. After you type in the password, click Next. If you've got a referral ID, go ahead and type it down in the text box and tap on Submit. If not, you can tap on Verify Identity at the bottom. Now, the next step is to verify your identity. Make sure that you have your identity verification document with you. Select your country of residence from the next page and then follow through the instructions in order to complete your verification. Or you can also do this next time by tapping on the cross icon at the top right and tapping on Confirm. Now that you have signed up to your account, you will now end up in the Markets tab. You can now explore the interface for Binance. The Markets tab will be the main screen displaying market summaries, popular cryptocurrencies and news. You can browse all of the cryptocurrencies available on Binance and view their trading pairs. Scroll through all the buttons at the bottom of the screen in order to get familiarized with Binance. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication on Binance. It is highly recommended for added security while operating Binance application. To do so, go ahead and tap on the Binance logo at the top left corner from your Markets page. Once you do this, you will then be able to open up your Binance profile page. From the profile page of Binance, tap on your username at the top and then tap on the security option. Once you open up the Security tab, under Two-Factor Authentication, you can select any one option from Passkeys, Authenticator app, email, password, PayPin, or phone number. Choose any one authentication method and follow through the prompts in order to add an extra layer of security on your Binance account. Once you do this, you will then be able to add extra layer of security, and it will also add extra step to the login process, which will require a code from your phone or an authentication app. It will matter according to the authentication method that you've selected. Step 4. Buy cryptocurrency on Binance. Now that you've explored the interface, the next step is to buying cryptocurrencies. From the main homepage of Binance, go ahead and tap on the yellow icon at the bottom of the screen. In the expanded pop-up, click on Buy. Now, select the cryptocurrency from the list of Choose Crypto options. Select any one crypto that you'd like to buy. I'm going to select Bitcoin. Once you select one of the coins, Go ahead and enter the amount of Bitcoin or any other crypto you are trying to buy and then proceed with the process. Review the transaction details and fees before confirming your purchase, and you will be able to buy a cryptocurrency on Binance. Remember that in order to be able to buy any cryptocurrencies, you'll first need to verify your Binance account. If you've not done that yet, consider verifying your account with ID documentations and you will be able to start buying your cryptocurrencies. Step 5. Change password on Binance. If you're skeptical about your security of Binance account, then you can also keep changing your password every now and then. From the main homepage of Binance, tap on the Binance logo at the top left corner. Now select your Binance user ID at the top of the screen. Click on Security Options under Account Info. Now that you're inside the Security tab, tap on Password. Enter your new password on the next page that you would like to change to. Enter the password once again and finally tap Confirm in order to change your password for your Binance account. Step 6. Log out of Binance app. Now that you've learned how you can easily change your password, the next step is to log in out of your Binance app. If you're using a public or a shared device currently and you'd like to log out or sign out of your Binance account that you've logged in with, then all you need to do is to go to the top left corner from your Markets tab and tap on your Binance logo. Once you open up this interface, tap on your user ID at the top and under Account Info, go ahead and choose Log Out at the bottom right corner. But remember that you must enter your credentials while logging in next time to your account, so make sure you do remember your credentials. Step 7. Logging into your existing Binance account. If you've previously logged out of your Binance app or you'd like to log in on a new device or your existing device, simply tap on the Sign In or the Login button appearing at the top left corner as soon as you open up the app. Now, in the login page, type in your email or phone number. If you've previously signed up with Google or Apple ID, make sure you select the same option which is located at the bottom. After you type in your email ID or your phone number, tap Next. And on the next page, enter your password for your Binance account. After you are done with your password, tap Next to log into your account. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password and follow through the instructions. Once you have the correct password and email, you will then be able to log into your Binance account. If prompted, you will need to enter your security code sent to you via SMS or phone number. Make sure you type it in correct and tap on Submit in order to log into your Binance account. So that is how you can easily use Binance application on your iPhone as a beginner. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.